Welcome back to our series on how to walk or serve a range of fruits, particularly when the weather is hot during the summer period. I've had a few different range of fruits already cut into small pieces, so I'm going to be creating a fruit kebab. I have 2 pieces of kebab sticks, a square, and I'm going to be threading the fruit through the stick. I have a piece of strawberry, a piece of apple, a slice of kiwi, a piece of pineapple, a piece of watermelon. I have blueberry to top it up. You can serve this dipped into melted chocolate or just eat as it is in the natural state. Enjoy.